Okay, look up. There you go. Look up. And open your eye real big. Big, big, big. Look up. That was good, though. That's a good try.
Look at the ceiling.
Open real big.
Look at the ceiling. Yeah.
There you go. Good job. Close your eye real slowly. Back up. Okay, look down. Does it hurt? Does it feel okay?
Is it prescribed? Or is
Yes.
it just, it is
prescribed.
It's to its prescription?
Yes. It might be a little off.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
No problem?
Mm-mm.
Not a blinker?
Nope.
Can you see?
No, look over there.
Wow, okay.